Wale wa Kenya ambao mmejoin ama mnataka kujoin Worldcoin, before you get into it, I need you to understand this. I need you to note this down. Tafadhali, even you guys are convincing your grandmothers to join this thing. But first and foremost, I would like you to understand this context. You think twice if you're going to join it or not.
You're being funny.
We all know that Worldcoin is a new crypto project that wants to give you free money just for scanning your eyes with a weird device called an orb. Well, it's so weird, man. Worldcoin imekuwa founded by Sam Altman. This is the same guy who runs OpenAI. And OpenAI basically is a company that makes super smart AI chatbots. GPT. He said that Worldcoin is an attempt at global scale alignment, which basically means that he wants to create a digital identity for everyone on the planet and use it to distribute crypto tokens. He thinks this will help solve the problem of AI taking over our jobs and also creating fake stuff online. But there is a catch to that. To get World ID, you have to let the orb scan your iris, which is like a fingerprint for your eye. Did you know that? The orb is supposed to verify that you are a real human being and not an AI bot. But for some people, they are worried about the privacy and security of their data, especially me. Nobody has disclosed kama wataficha, but some people are worried about this. And what if the orb gets hacked or stolen? Data yangu itaenda hivyo. What if someone uses your iris to impersonate you or track you down? What if the orb gives you an eye infection or damages your vision? Has it even been verified by a doctor? Have you even considered that? Najua tu pesa ni ngumu. I understand that. But have you even taken that into consideration? And what about the value of Worldcoin? The crypto token is supposed to be worth something because it is scarce and only given to real humans. But how scarce is it really? The project says it has 2 million users from its beta period. That is its testing period. 2 million users. You know, and walikuwa na target a lot of campus students. But it also plans to scale up to 35 cities in 20 countries. That means that there could be millions more tokens in circulation soon. And how do we know that? The tokens, you know, okay, this is my question, man. How do we know that the tokens are only given to real humans? What if some people scan their eyes multiple times with different orbs or use fake irises, original iris? Okay, and who is Sam Altman anyway? This guy may be a genius when it comes to matters AI, but he's also very controversial in the world of crypto. He's been accused of using deceptive and exploitative practices to sign up people for Worldcoin. And of course, people are still falling for it. So for example, these accusations come from countries like Indonesia, Ghana, and Chile. You know, he's also been criticized for his role in ChatGPT, which some say has degraded it has degraded performance over time and can produce harmful or biased content. So, is Worldcoin a trap or a treasure? That's up to you to decide. But before you scan your eyes for some free money, think about the risks and benefits. Do you trust this guy and his hope? Do you want to sell your data for some Kenyan shillings? Is it really worth it? Okay, I know that wakati una pesa, maybe ama wakati unataka pesa sana, a lot of things don't really matter. But imagine selling your fingerprint to somebody. Fingerprint. Do you know this one is going to be a fingerprint in the future? Imagine just giving that away for only something like 200 shillings. I think it's 200 shillings plus. That is what one Worldcoin inaenda. Now guys, I would like you to ask me the questions you know spend and respond in the next video about Worldcoin. Don't leave me hanging. Tafadhali, just ask me questions and don't forget to follow me, you know. Let's get to 30k and let's answer these questions. I want to do all the research for you. When nifambie hapo nikimaliza pale chini na kuambia